Hey everyone, my name is Joel Hansen and I am a marketer, storyteller, and speaker on all things social media and LinkedIn. I often get asked quite a bit how to make the most of your LinkedIn profile. So I thought I'd create a short video that highlights 3 tips for how you can maximize your LinkedIn profile. Number 1, have a clear header and photo to support your profile. Anyone in the professional world can have a title, but not everyone can have your passions, your title, and your background and perspective. Ensure that your header or your title encapsulate those 3 to 4 things that make up you as a person, a professional, and what you're passionate about. For example, you might be a student, but you're also connected with an association that does mental health advocacy, and you also volunteer at a local night shift. Add those things into your title so that you're not just a student, but you're actually a full professional. For your photo, you want to add a background cover photo that highlights a bit about your story, your past, or maybe you as a professional. I'm a big fan of hiking in the mountains, so that's what I have on my background. Whatever you are, you want to ensure that it reflects similarly. Number 2, engage with your community. Not a lot of people actually post content on LinkedIn, and it's pretty crazy because there's about 9 billion impressions weekly on the LinkedIn platform, and only a couple % of users are actually posting content. That means after you've completed your profile, LinkedIn allows you to post content regularly on the platform. You can share a photo, video, quote, text, anything you'd like. The important thing is that you're doing it regularly and that you're also engaging with those that are sharing their thoughts. My advice to you would be, if you see something that's thought-provoking, leave a comment, tag a friend, or even share it with your own network. It's important to have that regular dialogue with your community so that it's not just your posting, but your communities as well. Number 3, share projects, insights, and stories regularly. Don't only just post your own news, but share things that you're noticing in the industry, in the media, or maybe in your local city. Try and amplify the things that you care about by sharing real life stories to those in your community. Hopefully those 3 tips were helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day and see you around.